Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Got an Apple gift card and want to buy an iPhone online? Here's how to do it in just a minute. First of all, go to apple.com or open the Apple Store app on your phone. Browse through the iPhones and select the model, color, and storage size you want. Click Add to Bag and then tap Checkout to move to the payment page. Under payment method, select Apple gift card, enter your gift card code, and click Apply. If the card doesn't cover the full price, use another payment method for the remaining balance. Once applied, review your order and hit place order. Done. Your iPhone is on the way. And that's how you use an Apple gift card to buy an iPhone online. Follow for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.